Hello, nomadic travelers. Welcome back to another exciting episode of Nomadic Travel with Kamran. Today, we're embarking on a thrilling adventure to Avdayger Meadow Passu. Get ready for breathtaking views, wild cooking, and a culinary experience like no other. Here we are, standing at the top of Avdayger, ready for an adventure of a lifetime. Just look at this mesmerizing landscape with the majestic Passu Glacier and Batura Glacier in the backdrop. Now, let's dive into the heart of our adventure. Wild cooking at the top of Avdayger, we're preparing a delicious pulao dish, using locally sourced ingredients. Chopping veggies, marinating the meat, and adding the perfect blend of spices, all while surrounded by nature's wonders. It doesn't get better than this. Our cooking spot has the most incredible panoramic view. Imagine enjoying a hot meal with this backdrop. Nature truly is the best dining companion.
As the sun sets, we've created a cozy bonfire. The crackling sound and warmth add to the magical atmosphere. Now, it's time to enjoy our freshly cooked meal. Under the starlit sky, surrounded by mountains and glaciers, we're savoring the flavors of our wild cooked pulao. This is not just a meal, it's an experience. What an incredible journey it has been. From the heights of Avdayger to the warmth of our bonfire. If you enjoyed this adventure, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more nomadic travel with Kamran. Until next time.